Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we're going to look at the March edition of Cohorted. This is a beauty box which costs £39.99. I do feel like this is a luxury box that I get. I'd say quite a few of the products, they're quite high priced, high end, high valued. So it comes in this beautiful box. I mean, even the boxes look luxurious. So it comes in a sleeve, and that is the box there. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I've already looked at this box, and I'm pretty glad I did, because for some reason, I got the February pamphlet that I've already had this, and I was looking through to see and have a look at the items, because I didn't see the February at the front at first. I just dived in as you do and thought, hang on a minute, I've already had this. So I contacted customer services, and rather than wait for them to get back to me, I've looked at all the items and I've written down as much information as I possibly could, which took a little time to do. But that's what it is. It is what it is. So inside the box we have some nice items inside. So let's get a look in and see what I can tell you about March's box. So the first item is this. This is the Mali. It's by Natural Science. It's a conditioning body cream. So Natural Science conditioning body cream, 200ml. It's worth £13. I mean, I did get these prices off the internet, so I don't know whether you can find them any cheaper. So the body cream that nourishes, soothes while repairing your skin. It's a perfect way to revitalise dry and dull skin while giving you a subtle and youthful glow. How to use: simply squeeze a small amount of product, apply, pay special attention to dry areas like your elbows, knees and heels. So I haven't opened it, so we will open it together and have a look and see. Oh. If I can get into it, that is, of course. Oh, it smells lovely. I can smell it coming through. Wow. This box is beautiful, by the way. And this is, wow. Look at that, guys. That is gorgeous packaging. And I can already smell. It smells beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know whether it's got a safety tab on it. Let's see if I can squeeze some product through. Put a little bit on. That's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning smell. Just rub it in. Rubs in no problem. There's no greasiness there at all. Yeah, rubs in. I really like the smell of that. It's gorgeous. Actually didn't look to see what it's actually made of, but whatever it is. Now, I did notice I found this product on, looked fantastic, and it was actually sold out. So I don't know what that tells you, but it tells me a lot when a product is sold out. Right, next we have a face mask. This is by Natura, value £3.50. It's a coconut oil infused sheet mask. Created with 100% plant-based ingredients. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory benefits, helps to repair skin's natural barrier function. Skin's left nourished, supple, luminous with a fresh, dewy glow. How to use: put on a clean face, leave for around 15 minutes and take it off. Now, when I was looking at this, they have so many natural ingredient face masks, everything from parsley to thyme to all sorts. No, I normally don't like the old face mask, but I'll happily give that a go, for sure. Next we have a nail varnish. This is by, I don't know how to say it, whether it's Siat or Kayat. Siat? Kayat? Nail varnish. The class in this is a mini. It's got 0.4 fluid ounces, sorry. The value is £6. The colour is Dangerous Affair. Beautiful, stunning colour. This is a beautiful burgundy colour. It's vegan friendly and gluten free. So I look forward to trying that. And I love the little touch of the little bow there. Okay, so that's that one. Right, next we have Skin Iceland eye cream. This is a travel size. This is worth £5. You get 4 grams in it. It's formulated to combat 3 areas of dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, and helps all skin types. It's free from harsh chemicals, parabens, fragrances, dye, and it's 100% vegan. Pat cream gently under the eye area and across your eyelids. So this is so tiny. I can't actually open up because I put that cream on. Oh no, it's got a sticky tab thing on it. Is that it? Yes, it is. Oh, and it's also got a, what do you call it, on it as well. Which is great when you're doing an unboxing. That's it there. When you get the tiniest amount. I guess you only need a tiny amount anyway. Oh, it's got a weird feeling texture. It's almost like a jelly texture. Oh, that is like, do you guys know what blancmange is? It's not like a cream, it just feels like, oh, it's very cooling. I like that. There's no smell to it at all. I think I went a little bit OTT with the old highlighter there. Okay, well, I'm all for eye cream, so I definitely look forward to giving that a go. That's that one. And then we have another product from Skin Iceland. This is worth £5. It's a 20ml size. We're calling this the travel size. And it's a face wash. Creamy foaming cleanser to refresh, soothe and purify stressed skin. It has white willow bark. This helps all skin types. It's free of harsh chemicals, parabens, silicones, and it's 100% vegan. How to use: add water to a pea-sized amount, work up a lather between your hands and massage into your face. That's that one. This has got a safety thingy on it as well. Actually, I'm not going to open it because I can't put it on anyway. But that's it there. Next we have Avant. This is a hand balm. This is a 50ml product. Recommended as £63. Wowza. Revitalise aging hands with Advanced Skincare Glycolic Acid Hand Balm. This formula penetrates deep into the skin's layer to restructure the surface for youthful looking skin. Glycolic acid firms and smooths the complexion. Deceiving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Shea butter brightens dull skin, leaving it soft and supple. How to use: apply to clean hands, rub, massage, paying attention to the knuckles and any dry areas. So I never realised until I started doing my channel about this product, nor how expensive it is. But it surely does seem to work, and a lot of people rave and rant about this. So there's no smell. very smooth and it's gorgeous. Oh, there's a slight smell to it, and it's a nice slight smell. So yeah, that's all right. I like that. So I'll start using that. I have tempted to pop it on my face, to be honest. Okay, so that's that one. And then last but not least, I'm going to crucify the name of this. It is a palette, and I think it's called Suku. It's eyeshadow palette. Recommended is £46. The colour is 126. It's a highly pigmented shades that can be used individually or blended to create many eye looks. The rich formula spreads smoothly, providing depth. Sweep top right shade over your lids to create smokiness, followed by the bottom left iridescent shimmer before applying the final two hues to add dimension. So that's that. Let's get it out. This looks very high end. Never heard of this brand before. I almost feel like it's like Korean or something. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have heard of this or used it before, and if it is Korean. So that's the packaging, all very nice. It's going to be a fingerprint magnet, yeah, for sure. And then inside, ooh, we have an array. And we've got a couple of brushes in there and a mirror. And they are the colours. This blue one's so pretty. Right, so let's do a little swatchy swatch. I got that one. Got that one. So these two are mattes. And then the shimmers. Wowza. Wow, wow, wow. Nice colours. I'll use this perfectly. Beautiful. So I'm assuming the way they're saying the layout of the palette is these two together and then these two together. Maybe. I don't know. But it's nice anyway, I like it. It's lovely. Now I have all eyeshadow hands. Right, so that was the last product, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing. Sorry if it was a little bit all over the place, but I'll try my best. And just to let you know, the whole box value going on my numbers, because obviously people sell these items at different prices. But I calculated this box at round about £151.50, which is not bad, as the whole box cost £13.99. So you're getting about £100 worth, give or take, of products in there. Don't forget, I have got the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker pink mirror up for grabs for the March giveaway. So if you haven't entered for that already, I'll leave the link down below for you guys to have a look, and I'll leave a photo here for you to see what you could win. It's very simple to enter, and yeah, just check out the video. Right, that's it for Cohorted for this month. Do love this box. I think it is luxurious, and I do enjoy most of the products that I receive out here. I have to say that that's probably one of my favourites. Actually, I'm going to be quite thingied on this one. That's definitely going to be used. Obviously, I'm going to use that. I love nail varnish, so that's going to get used, and I like the colour. It's nice and warm, and it only makes sense to use these. So there's not really anything in this month's box that I don't like. I think they're all great products, and I look forward to trying them out. I'm even quite happy about getting this. Right, okay, so that's it for now. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.